Gorgeous new home in one of Choctaw's newest additions, Glen. This home has lots of extras. Beautiful custom woodwork plus built-ins make this home so attractive. Open concept living, dining and kitchen. Large living area with a nice view, corner gas log fireplace, ceiling fan and crown molding. The kitchen features granite countertops, custom cabinetry, large prep island, pull-out spice cabinet and drawers for pots and pans, upgraded stainless steel appliances including a 5-burner gas stove and a pantry. Master suite is large and has raised ceilings with cove lighting. Barn-style door to enter master bath which has a standalone soaking tub, double vanities with granite, a huge walk-in shower with 3 shower heads and granite seat, large walk-in closet with a double built-in chest and pull-down rods, and it opens to the laundry room.